God message for you today. God is saying to you today, your situation is about to take a turn for the better. Your health will be restored. Your finances will increase. You will have enough to pay your bills and be a blessing to someone else. Miracles and blessings are headed to your house. God is taking you to a new level in life. Your sadness will be replaced with joy. Type yes if you believe in God. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily God's messages.